in Python, you have multiple IDE, which is the integrated development environment. Some people use Spider. You might have heard from PyCharm, Visual Studio. Most people, I guess, are more familiar with Visual Studio. And we have Google Colab, which is it's based on Jupyter Notebook. We're going to use this one. If you don't have Anaconda or Python installed on your computer, we can go ahead and use this one. I'm going to share that when we start with that. I'm going to talk a little bit of how Python functions work and what are the indentations, which is a requirement to work with Python. The different type of how to install Python packages. If you heard about like NumPy or Pandas, which are packages to do more data science or analytics, I'm going to show you the like how to install them, mostly in Anaconda. But if you research a little bit online, you might have seen pip or conda for install some packages, and you might get confused because it's not very. When you find some tutorials online, they are not very clear. But after this presentation, you might be able to install all of these easily. I'm going to show you after installing the packages how to import the libraries into your Python, and then the most important thing I will say for me is how to debug the program, because this really helps you kind of see what's going on inside the code that you're writing.